Beautiful people, this is Dr. Shibani and welcome to episode 11 of Soul to Soul Gupshup with Disha. It's been a very long time that we all have met, but I had to meet all of you today. There is a strong reason for this. This entire corona year, one question has been hunting around in my space. Everywhere I go, I keep meeting people, and this one question just pops up in the conversation. शिबानी, when do you think this corona is going to end? नहीं, तुम्हारे हिसाब से कब खत्म होगा ये सब? अरे भैया, कोरोना इज नॉट माय रिश्तेदार ना. Anyways, so for all those who have been asking me this question, some out of genuine curiosity, some out of fear, some out of getting bored sitting at home, some out of genuine financial crisis, no work, no jobs, and some simply because they don't want to be with their spouses, and others just to see and test how good I am in my astrology predictions. Ridiculous. To all these superhumans around, I want to quote one cute little story here, which I just happened to read yesterday. And deja vu, I actually got my answer to this genuine question of today. When is Corona going to end? So the story goes like, and there is this man in a village, and his name is Champak, and he is a labor, and he works with a thekedar, and this thekedar gives him 100 rupees every day as of his daily wages, and that is the source of his food for him and his family every day. So one day this guy goes to work, and the thekedar tells him that Champak, there's no work today, you can go back home. So now this guy is all worried. He's searching for work around and very disappointed and tired. Does not get any work that day. So he starts walking back home, very sad. On the way back home, he passes by this small little temple every day. And that day he decides to go and sit inside for some time. So he goes and sit, and this Panditji of this temple over there, he asks him the reason for his despair. So Champak tells him all the things that happened with him, and he's all worried because he tells him that there's going to be no food for me and my family today because there's no money, no wage for me. So this Panditji tells Champak that he will give him his 100 rupees provided he does some work for him. Champak is very happy and he agrees to do. So this Panditji tells him, okay, now you sit here, just close your eyes and just chant Ram, Ram, Ram for 4 hours. After you finish, you come and you take your 100 rupees from me and go. So Champa is like, okay. He sits there, he does this chanting for 4 hours. He goes to Panditji, Panditji gives him 100 rupees. And then Panditji tells him, why don't you come here every day and morning to evening just do this chanting, and that's it. You take your 100 rupees and you go. So Champak is like, okay. And the next day, Panditji in the morning is looking forward to see this man. But Champak never comes to the mandir. So after 3-4 days, this Panditji is in the market and he happens to meet Champak. So he asks him, Are Champak, I asked you to come that day and where are you? You all disappeared. Why did you not come? So Champak says, Are Panditji, sorry, but I just get bored doing that chanting the whole day. Every day, how can I do this? It's so boring, na? Whole day sit and just say Ram, 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 Ram. It's very boring. So I'll do one thing. Whenever I don't have any work, no, that day I will come and I will do this work for you. So this Pandit ji just smiles at his awareness, and he says, you will go and do all this laborious work on your construction site, picking up stones, bricks, cement bags, sweeping, swapping, getting dirty, but you will not want what the divine is giving you. Just sitting in one clean place comfortably and doing this divine work. How unlucky you are. कितना कम नसीबी है तू, that you just don't want to do what your you just don't want to do this divine work. You just want to do what your fellow beings are doing, unnecessary work which will take you nowhere actually. Here you're doing divine work also and you are being paid also, but unfortunately you don't want to do it. How unlucky and unfortunate. Ignorant champak is not able to see the divine message. Seriously, a champak. And so are we. Sorry to say, but yes, we are all genuine champaks. What are we doing in this lockdown during this pandemic time? Cooking fancy foods at home, posting on Facebook, Insta, sitting at home, just criticizing our politicians, blaming each other for this situation, the doctors, the hospitals, just posting critical articles on social media, helping spread wrong messages around, and just helping boost this entire chaos. Nothing else. Just degrading our planet's vibrations, which are as it is low right now. All astrology predictions, Big Brother science, all have miserably failed. Even the doctors are scared and they are crying rain. So much death around, even they are not able to digest. Are we cannot even touch the dead body of our near and dear ones. Where are we going? Where are we heading? Aren't we seriously champaks? Grow up, people. Grow up and try to just check on to your souls. We need to understand there will be no end to this if right now we don't understand that message from the divine for once. High time we pull up our socks and straight turn ourselves into the divine. That's it. This is the only way out. Believe it or leave it and be ready to die. And to help you do this, we are starting this worldwide Disha Namasmaran group from tomorrow onwards. That is the auspicious day of Ram Navami 2021, the birthday of Lord Rama, and the 9th day of Chaitra Navratra. So from tomorrow, we all will connect together daily from 1 p.m. to 1:10 Indian Standard Time IST, just for 10 minutes daily in the afternoon, and chant a mantra that will be posted on the wall. Every Monday and Thursday, the mantra will change. So it is just a 10 minutes daily practice, convenient time for all countries. You have to do nothing but just chant the given mantra in your spaces. We'll be putting up the mantra that has to be chanted just for 10 minutes. No matter what you're doing, just keep doing your work and keep chanting. You will be in this divine vibration for 10 whole minutes along with everybody. A multi-effect frequency, multi-effect vibration for all of us and our beautiful blue-green planet. So let us take up this sankalpa of our own selves, our earth and our fellow earthlings, whom otherwise right now we cannot help physically, no, but we can energetically definitely make a difference in their lives. So I will be putting up the link by clicking which you will be able to join in this group. I'll be putting this link in the description box below the video. So bye for now. Catch up soon with all of you with something new this time. It's called the Project Guru Charitra, in which we will see what is Parayan, how to do Parayan and why we should do Parayan, who is Datta Guru, and moreover, how is Datta Guru the millennial God, and how does he respond to all of us? Yes, he actually does. And how can we imply and apply the Guru Charitra in our daily lives? मराठीमधून आहे बरं का. सो भेटूया लवकरच with the Project Gurucharitra. Shivani signing off. If you've liked this video, please click the like button and also the bell icon for further updates. So for now, bye bye. Catch up with you soon. Datta Guru.